Ko tānui te waka, ko rangipoto te maunga, ko Ngāti Rora te hapu, ko Ngāti Maniapoto te iwi, ko Rereahu tōku ingoa. I'm studying at Victoria University of Wellington. I'm studying a Bachelor of Arts, majoring in Te Reo Māori and Environmental Studies. I was fortunate enough to be raised in a taiao Māori environment. I was lucky enough to be a part of a particular waka voyage, sailing around Te Mono Kiwa, promoting environmental sustainability and traditional navigation. This has led to my passion of protecting our environment through a mātauranga Māori approach, and I hope to build relationships with iwi around the motu as well as our whanaunga in the Pacific to create sustainable initiatives to protect our environment as climate change becomes more important for us as Indigenous peoples. I hope to reconnect with my iwi of Ngāti Maniapoto, marae and communities within Te Rohe Pōtai to further achieve my aspirations in sustainable initiatives within these areas. I'm proud to be Maniapoto because I descend from a long line of rangatira and I carry my tupuna with me wherever I go. E tū Maniapoto!